well for one of Formula E's biggest partners of the Gen 3 era. Hankook will be taking part in their last Formula E races here in London this weekend. Don't forget the vital role that the tyre partner plays in bringing safe and exciting racing to the championship. There hasn't been a single tyre failure across 4 seasons, so the Iron Race will perform one last time here on the streets of London.
To London for the final day of racing in season 12 of Formula E.